Hello, and welcome to the channel. Crypto has taken the world by storm over the last decade or so, with investors, tech enthusiasts, and average people all becoming acquainted with this new world of finance. Cryptocurrency, at its simplest, is a type of digital or virtual currency that employs cryptography to secure and validate transactions, rendering it virtually unforgeable. Cryptocurrencies have been gaining popularity since Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a bunch of altcoins really took off, largely due to their potential for high returns, cutting-edge tech, and the promise of financial freedom. The digital currency market is booming and attracting a wide array of investors as more individuals understand the merits and dangers of digital currencies. Knowing cryptocurrency is essential for anybody who wants to navigate the modern financial landscape. As digital assets continue to proliferate in this new marketplace, prospective investors need to understand the basic mechanics of how cryptocurrencies function, their market dynamics, and the catalysts that drive their valuation. Understanding these facets enables individuals to make knowledgeable choices and steer clear of common mistakes in this fast-paced industry. You are then on the road to learn more about the potential of cryptocurrency and what it can mean for the future of finance. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a class of digital money intended to be used as a medium of exchange, like regular money, but with important differences. Also, unlike physical cash or bank deposits, cryptocurrencies only exist in digital form and are decentralized, meaning that they lie outside the control of any central authority such as a government or financial institution. This decentralization enables peer-to-peer transactions, which can occur directly between users without intermediaries. Blockchain is the technology at the core of cryptocurrency and is a groundbreaking system for maintaining security and transparency. So, what is blockchain? A blockchain is a distributed ledger that records every transaction across a network of computers. When a transaction occurs, it is grouped together with others in a block, and the blocks are then chained together in the order they are received, creating an unchangeable chain. Such a structure not only serves as a tamper-proof system, but also permits anyone to verify the transactions, which builds trust among users. This new model of finance is epitomized by the more famous cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin, the original and most famous cryptocurrency, was launched in 2009 and has led to thousands of other cryptocurrencies. However, Ethereum brought smart contracts into the picture, allowing developers to create decentralized applications on its platform. Collectively, these digital assets demonstrate how cryptocurrencies can revolutionize our approach towards money. How do you get into crypto? The world of cryptocurrency can seem overwhelming at first, but there are a number of relatively simple steps that can help get a beginner started. The first thing you need to do to get started with cryptocurrency is select a cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy, sell, and trade digital currencies. When choosing an exchange, look for things like security features, user interface, fees, and the variety of cryptocurrencies available. After choosing an exchange, you'll usually need to create an account where you'll have to input some personal details and verify your identity. Once you have created your account, the next step is to secure your cryptocurrency using a cryptocurrency wallet. There are different types of digital wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and mobile apps. There are differing levels of security on cryptocurrency wallets, so choose one that suits your needs. To ensure your investments are safe, use two-factor authentication whenever available and store your private keys securely. Just like you would with traditional investments, always do your research prior to investing in any form of crypto. Investigate the cryptocurrency white paper, its use case, the team behind it, and market trends. The internet's wealth of information is great, but be sure to verify sources and maybe subscribe to some news feeds. These steps will help beginners to explore the world of cryptocurrency confidently and make more informed decisions. What are the pros of cryptocurrency? There are a number of advantages to investing in cryptocurrency that can be very beneficial to wealth-building strategies. One of the most attractive things is the potential for high returns. However, unlike traditional investments like stocks and bonds, cryptocurrencies have shown significant price volatility, allowing for the potential to make a large profit in a short period of time. Even in crypto assets, fortune favors the early adopters, For example, the early investments in Bitcoin and Ethereum did dozens of times better in return compared to the later performance of these tokens. Another significant benefit is the accessibility of cryptocurrency markets. The total market cap allows us to quickly ascertain the relative size of the cryptocurrency space. Compared to more traditional financial markets that often require high amounts of capital and have complex processes, anyone with a smartphone can get started investing in cryptocurrencies, which has democratized the ability for people to build wealth. Furthermore, investing in cryptocurrencies may help diversify an investment portfolio. Because they tend to act differently than traditional assets, cryptocurrencies can help balance risk. Adding digital currencies as a new asset class to stocks, bonds, and real estate gives investors a balanced portfolio that can perform better during market dips. With its unique features, cryptocurrency offers tremendous opportunity for building wealth in the current world. What are the cons of cryptocurrency? Although it can be highly rewarding to invest in cryptocurrency, there are also many risks and downsides investors should keep in mind before making the decision to invest. One of the most significant pros of crypto is also one of its biggest challenges, that being the extreme price volatility of cryptocurrencies. Unlike conventional investments, cryptocurrencies are prone to sharp price fluctuations in short time frames, which means that there is always the possibility of catastrophic losses. For unprepared investors, this could be devastating, crashing portfolios and causing a lot of undue stress. Moreover, the cryptosphere is boiling over with regulatory uncertainties. Governments all over the world are still trying to figure out how to treat digital currencies, so sudden changes in regulations can tip the market one way or the other. This uncertainty can result in an unstable environment for investors. Additionally, scams and fraudulent schemes around the crypto space is another risk potential investors need to be aware of. Between Ponzi schemes and non-existent exchanges, investors need to keep their guard up to safeguard their holdings. Traders must have a full handle on market trends and do adequate research before making any investment decisions to successfully navigate these challenges. Understanding the technology, market dynamics, processes, and potential traps can enable you to minimize your risks and craft a more informed investment strategy in the rapidly evolving environment of cryptocurrency. Now, let's sum it all up. In essence, cryptocurrency is a revolutionary type of digital currency service that can help accelerate the wealth-building process. Cryptocurrencies, with their decentralized structure and blockchain dependency, possess unique avenues for returns, often outperforming traditional investments. But, as we've seen, that potential comes with some risk factors as well, including price volatility and regulatory uncertainties. We've seen how important it is for those who are considering investing in cryptocurrency to do so with full knowledge. By educating yourself about the market, doing proper research, and keeping yourself up to date on any upcoming trends, you can always reduce the risks involved and train yourself to be a wiser buyer in this trading game. If you found this video interesting and want to know more about cryptocurrency or other related topics, we invite you to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. For other people who might enjoy learning more about the financial evolution of our society, please like and share this video. Your support makes it possible for us to continue creating content, and your engagement is super important to us. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to not miss out on future content. And thanks for watching!